What if the real reason your MSP marketing isn't working is because you're not running campaigns? You're just making noise.
Just another manic Monday.
Let's clear something up right away. Marketing success for MSPs doesn't come from random posts, one-off emails, or hoping a referral will keep rolling in. It comes from consistent campaigns. A campaign is focused, intentional, and time-bound. It has a clear message and a clear audience with a clear outcome. And without campaigns, marketing just feels scattered, inconsistent, and frustrating. And with campaigns, doors, they start to open. Here's the first mindset shift. Campaigns are not about doing more marketing. They're about doing smarter marketing. So instead of trying to talk about everything you do, which is a lot, we all know, a campaign zooms in on one problem your ICP actually cares about. One issue, one pain point, one reason they should be paying attention. Now that's clarity. It's what cuts through the noise. And another critical component, campaigns create momentum. Most MSP marketing fails because it never builds repetition. A single message seen is absolutely forgettable. A message seen consistently across multiple channels, now that starts to feel familiar. And feeling familiar builds trust long before a sales conversation ever happens. And campaigns, they allow you to repeat the same core messaging through different formats. You can do email, video, social ads, events. Your conversations, they just get better. And you're not reinventing the wheel every single week. You're reinforcing the same idea from different angles. So let's talk about targeting, because campaigns force discipline. And when you run campaigns, you have to answer hard questions. Who exactly is this campaign for? What industry are you targeting? What size? What problem are they already aware of? That focus, it prevents wasted effort and it attracts better fit prospects who actually resonate with your message. And another advantage campaigns bring to the table, they make marketing measurable. When everything is random, it's impossible to know what's actually working. Campaigns give you a start, a finish, and actually something to evaluate. So you can see what messages land, what channels perform, and what sparks real conversations. And that data makes your next campaign even stronger. And here's a big one. Campaigns align marketing and sales. And when sales knows exactly what campaign is running, what message is being promoted, and what pain point is being highlighted, their conversations get easier. Your prospects show up warmer, more educated, and already thinking about the change. Sales now stop chasing and they start responding. So here's the reality. Campaigns don't need to be complicated or expensive. They just need to be intentional. One clear message delivered consistently to the right audience over a defined period of time. And that's how MSP marketing stops feeling like a gamble and it starts feeling like a system, all warm and fuzzy inside. And if your marketing feels scattered, inconsistent, or underwhelming right now, chances are it's not a lack of effort. It's just a lack of campaigns. So if you want help building campaigns that actually open doors and create real opportunities for your MSP, there's a link in the description to schedule a call with our team. We can talk through what you're doing now and how to turn it into something focused and effective. No pressure here, just a conversation.